A friend of mine has an Acura that has an idle control problem. Different mechanic said that he'd have to replace the whole throttle body. I think that the idle air control valve can be replaced and it should be good at that point, but I also think there's a chance that this might be good, it might just be dirty. We can clean it up and see if that does the trick. And I figured since he took off the whole throttle body for me, I might as well just clean the whole thing up, get it running real nice. One of the cool things about this one is that it's got a very flat gasket to it. So I can give this product a try. This is a So Clean, So Fast cleaning pad. You can attach it to a lot of common drills like this one. I'm gonna take the two components off that can come off with normal screws. All right, now I've got the pressure sensor off and the idle air control valve assembly off. So let's get the degreaser on it. Give it some time to sit. The main focus here is to get the old gasket material off so the new gasket will sit on a clean surface. Whew. I just sprayed carb cleaner, which I forgot has flammable vapors, so I'm just going to spray some more of this stuff on and let it sit for a long time before I fire up that electric drill. I'm sure a lot of you have seen that electric drills often have sparks that come out of here, and I don't want that spark igniting that throttle body cleaner. So I'll give those vapors some time to leave before I fire up that drill. Obviously there's some downsides to doing it like this. Nothing here is the fault of this. A vise would be nice for holding this thing in place so it wouldn't walk all around. The gasket material that's still here, I mean, it's taken up most of it. But if you're buying a kit that's specifically for removing gaskets, you're gonna have to put in this elbow grease anyway. So this is working pretty well for a general use product. I bet some plastic razor blades would help with this too. Alright, so as a gasket remover, that tool didn't work perfectly, but I've never had a gasket removal tool ever work perfectly for at least paper gaskets like this. I call that as about as successful as you get.